Hi Mikael, it's Papa again. Medyo windy dito pero ang ganda naman yung weather, hindi masyado mainit. Anyway, you say Papa, 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 Papa. Mikael, I'm going to read to you a book, ha? Listen to me, okay? Okay, anak, wait. Okay, the title of the book is Come Right In. Okay, let's read it. Oop, pera pa pala dun. Ano ko ng pera dun? Okay. Oi, it's the nap. Pippin and Rhonda are Rumpus nap. Sam is up. He sees Pippin and Rhonda. Sam is a pest. He puts on a drum. Sam taps the drum. Rat-a-tat-tat. Pippin is up. Pippin sees the drum. He sees Rhonda and Rumpus. Pippin is a pest. He puts on the drum. Pippin taps the drum. Rap-a-tap-tap. Rhonda is up. Rhonda sees the drum. She sees Rumpus. Rumpus is a pest. She puts on the drum. Rhonda taps the drum. Rum-a-dum-dum. Rumpus is up. Rumpus sees the drum. He puts it on. Rumpus taps the drum. Trum-a-dum-trump. Rumpus sees Sam and Pippin and Rhonda. Sam and Pippin and Rhonda see Rumpus. Rumpus sits and nods. Sam and Pippin and Rhonda sit and nod. Sam and Pippin and Rhonda and Rumpus sit and nod and nap-a-nap-nap. G. In get. Get. Gets. Gut. Mug. Tug. Rug. Pig. Dig. Dog. Rag. Drag. Drags. Green. Grass. Grandpa. Grandma. Egg. Greg. Get a stamp. Anne's dog. He sits on the drug. She naps on the where? Rug. Ang galing-galing naman. This is the next story that I will read you, pero later na yan, okay? See that? Did you understand anything from the story? We'll sing ABCs later, okay? Huh? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Love you.